Hello and welcome to Tech Savvy Community, where we share ideas, create projects, innovate new trends, put people first, work as a team, and recognize participants on their achievements. The main purpose of this community is to bring together programmers around the world irrespective of their gender and wealth, which means you can gain knowledge for free, get help on your projects, and enjoy a good life. We learn together, share ideas, create projects to solve problems, and involve anyone in the family or community. We will be very happy to have you on board since this is our first video on YouTube. Join our community or family now by subscribing, hit the notification bell, give us a like, and let's start a wonderful journey together, not only as friends but family. Join us on WhatsApp. Link in description. Python for All. Unlock the power of coding. Hey there, future coders. Welcome to my channel. If you've ever thought about diving into the world of programming but felt a bit overwhelmed, you're in the right place. I'm Josh, and today, we're starting a journey that can change your life. Whether you're a complete newbie or just curious about Python, stick around because I'm about to show you how simple and fun coding can be. Ready to unlock the power of Python? Let's get started. Before we dive into coding, let's talk about some benefits and why learning Python is one of the best decisions you can make today. Here are some amazing benefits that will get you excited to start your Python journey. Benefit 1. Easy to learn and use. First up, Python is super beginner-friendly. Its syntax is clean and easy to read, which means you can start writing programs in no time, even if you've never coded before. Benefit 2. Versatile and powerful. Python is incredibly versatile. You can use it for web development, data science, machine learning, automation, and even game development. No matter what your interest is, Python has got you covered. Benefit 3. High demand and lucrative salaries. Python developers are in high demand, and they earn some of the highest salaries in the tech industry. On average, Python developers can make anywhere from $80,000 to over $150,000 a year. That's a pretty compelling reason to get started, right? Benefit 4. Create your own projects. Ever dreamed of building your own game or creating a website from scratch? With Python, you can turn those dreams into reality. Develop your own games, build dynamic websites, or create powerful applications that solve real-world problems. Benefit 5. Make money with your skills. Python opens up numerous opportunities to make money. You can freelance, work on startup projects, or even create and sell your own software. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for earning is huge. Benefit 6. Strong community support. One of the best things about Python is its vibrant community. There are countless tutorials, forums, and resources available to help you out. If you ever get stuck, the community is there to support you. Benefit 7. Excellent for prototyping and development speed. Finally, Python allows you to prototype and build applications quickly. Its simplicity and efficiency mean you can turn your ideas into reality faster than with many other programming languages. Note, Python isn't just about learning to code. It's about building incredible projects that can make a real impact. Here are some amazing projects you can create with Python that will take your skills to the next level and open up exciting opportunities. Project 1. Web development with Django or Flask. Build dynamic websites and web applications using powerful frameworks like Django and Flask. Whether it's a personal blog, a portfolio site, or a complex web app, Python has got you covered. You can create everything from user authentication systems to interactive dashboards. Project 2. Data analysis and visualization. Dive into the world of data science with Python. Use libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn to analyze and visualize data. You can work on projects like analyzing stock market trends, visualizing survey results, or even predicting outcomes using machine learning. Project 3. Machine learning and AI. Build intelligent systems using libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and Scikit-learn. Create projects that can recognize images, classify text, or even predict future events. Imagine building a recommendation system like Netflix or an image recognition app like Google Photos. Project 4. Automation scripts. Automate repetitive tasks and boost your productivity. Write scripts to automate tasks like sending emails, scraping data from websites, or organizing your files. Python can help you save time and effort on everyday tasks. Project 5. Game development with Pygame. Turn your game ideas into reality with Pygame. Create 2D games that you and your friends can play. Whether it's a classic arcade game or a new unique creation, game development with Python is a fun and rewarding experience. Project 6. Building APIs. Develop APIs with Flask or Fast API to connect your applications with other services. Build RESTful APIs for your web or mobile apps, enabling them to communicate with each other seamlessly. Project 7. IoT projects. Create smart devices and IoT applications using Python. Use Raspberry Pi or Arduino to build projects like home automation systems, smart security cameras, or weather monitoring stations. Connect and control devices remotely and bring your IoT ideas to life. These are just a few examples of what you can achieve with Python. The possibilities are truly endless. Now that you know why Python is such a fantastic language and fun to learn, let's jump right in and get our hands dirty with some coding. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be amazed at what you can do with Python. Ready to start building your own amazing projects? Let's dive into some hands-on coding and turn those ideas into reality.